Tonight, the FDA gives emergency approval of the first coronavirus vaccine. The Pfizer vaccine got that approval late this evening. This means shots could begin within days for healthcare workers and people in nursing homes. Results from Pfizer's study indicate the vaccine is roughly 95% effective with no major concerns identified. Health officials in Missouri expect to get 339,000 doses this month. In Kansas, 150,000. President Trump is praising tonight's approval.
This is one of the greatest scientific accomplishments in history. It will save millions of lives and soon end the pandemic once and for all.
Today, the federal government bought another 100 million doses of Moderna's vaccine candidate. That doubles the U.S. supply to 200 million total doses. The FDA will consider approving this version next Thursday. A local lab that does COVID-19 testing all over the country says the news of a vaccine to come is promising. KMBC 9's Brian Johnson looks at when insiders expect to get back to normal and when you can likely get your shot.
Nobody's rooting harder for the vaccine than me. For the record, if they give it to me, I'd take it today.
Robert Thompson is the CEO of Clinical Reference Laboratory, an Alexa-based lab that employs 700. They process COVID-19 tests from all over the country. He says vaccines will bring life back to normal.
It is light at the end of the tunnel, but it's still kind of a long tunnel, I think.
Distribution to key groups, healthcare workers, the most vulnerable and essential workers, that comes first. He thinks the general public will be able to get a vaccine by March.
The Moderna vaccine is really important because the United States paid for the development of that vaccine.
And paid for its production. It's purchased 10 times as many Moderna vaccine doses as it has of the Pfizer vaccine. Moderna should get approval right after Pfizer. Thompson expects life will transition back to normal in the second quarter of 2021.
If people continue to test and know their status, I really think we can keep this under control until we get everybody vaccinated.
That's why he says it's crucial people follow the guidelines this holiday season to slow the spread.
So we're not asking people to be in isolation forever. And, I'm just saying be safe. When you do go out and do it responsibly.
Brian Johnson, KMBC 9 News.
If you want a COVID-19 test, the Clinical Reference Laboratory offers saliva-based COVID-19 tests direct to consumers. They overnight kits to your door and send results to your smartphone. New tonight, Sunday's Kansas Jayhawks basketball game has been canceled after a positive COVID-19 case within the opposing team. The positive test involves somebody in the Tarleton State program. KU says the game will not be rescheduled. Missouri's top health official says the state will start vaccinating people next Thursday. Dr. Randall Williams, who heads the Department of Health, says beginning December 28th, they can quickly vaccinate almost 2/3 of long-term care facility residents. Essential workers like teachers and first responders will get their vaccinations by March.
It will be a large group in which the state will just distribute the vaccine to providers who will then work with their individual patients to say, are you in this group? And it'll be an honor system.
Dr. Williams says if all goes well, he expects full access to vaccines for everyone by July. 282 new cases of the coronavirus and 1 new death reported in Kansas City, Missouri tonight. That is out of more than 1,000 new cases in our 9-county area. The daily average of new hospitalizations is going up. Clay County has new quarantine guidelines. Health officials say people who have been exposed can end their quarantine after 10 days. If they have no symptoms, they still need to wear a mask. They still need to watch for symptoms for 14 days. Clay County is not adopting the CDC's new guidelines about ending quarantine after 7 days with a negative test. Health officials say there are just too many cases out there and the testing system is strained. Platte County made a similar decision earlier this week.